Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to our Macedonian language channel. I'm Ellie and today's lesson is all about the days of the week in Macedonian. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say all 7 days with confidence and even practice them in short sentences. So let's get started. Let's go through them one by one. Ponedelnik, which means Monday. Вторник, which means Tuesday. Sreda, which means Wednesday. Четвъртък, which means Thursday. Петък, which means Friday. Sabota, which means Saturday. And Недела, which means Sunday. Let's repeat them together slowly. Понеделник, вторник, среда, четвъртък, петък, сабота, недела. Great! You just said all 7 days in Macedonian. Let's practice using them in short sentences. Денес е понеделник. Денес е понеделник, which means today is Monday. Утре е вторник. Утре е вторник, which means tomorrow is Tuesday. Вчера беше недела. Вчера беше недела, which means yesterday was Sunday. It is your turn now. Can you say the days of the week backwards? In the comment, please write the answer of these questions. Some fun facts about the days. In North Macedonia, the week officially starts on Ponedelnik, Monday, not Sunday like in some Western calendars. Holidays traditions. Some religious facts are tied to specific days. Wednesday and Friday, for example, are often fasting days in the Orthodox tradition, honoring biblical events. Lucky unlucky days. There is a saying, како ќе ти тргне во понеделник, така ќе ти биде цела недела. As Monday starts for you, so will the whole week go. Thank you very much for watching. Ви благодарам многу што гледавте. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll learn the months of the year in Macedonian, so you can talk about birthdays, holidays and seasons. Don't miss it. See you in the next episode.